Tolls Import Feature video tutorial. Accessing the Tolls Import feature. Locate the Tolls tab in the left menu on the dashboard. Adding toll devices. To begin, go to Toll Devices and click New Device. Enter the device number. Remember, the truck field is optional. You can add or edit this information later. Then, click Save. Assigning drivers. Once a device is saved, you'll need to assign a driver. Click the Assign Driver button and select a driver from the drop-down. Ensure the assignment date is correct. It should be on or before the date you want to start importing toll data. Creating import templates. Next, navigate to Import Templates. Click New Template, enter a name, and upload your toll report file. Remember to assign a value to each column in the report. The values should match with the corresponding fields in our portal, like the date, the device, and the amount, which are mandatory. You can assign as many columns as you want, or add new value. After you make the template, you can make it inactive, make edits, or delete it. Importing data. With your template ready, go to Toll Transactions. Click Import Report, select your template and file, then upload. The system will validate the data. Transactions will appear color-coded to show if they're new, previously imported, or if there are errors. Red-colored if something is wrong with the report or the template. Yellow means that the transaction has already been imported. Green means that everything is fine. Reviewing and managing transactions. After importing, you can view all transactions, past and present. Use filters to find specific entries, like by report date or driver. Generating driver deductions. To allocate toll costs to drivers, select all transactions which have gray icons and then click Generate Driver Deductions. This links toll expenses directly to driver payrolls, ensuring accurate accounting. Yes, that's all. It's that simple. For more help, feel free to contact our support team at support@𝗲𝘲𝘀.net. Enjoy using EasyLoads TMS.